In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add customers and sub-customers in QuickBooks Online. This task is straightforward once you know the right steps to follow, and it greatly enhances your ability to manage customer accounts effectively. So, let's dive right in and make your QuickBooks Online experience even more efficient. To get started, direct your attention to the left-hand panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Here, you'll see an option labeled Customers and Leads. Simply click on this to proceed. This section is your gateway to all customer-related functionalities within QuickBooks. Once you're in the Customers and Leads section, look towards the top menu and select the Customers tab. This tab is specifically designed for handling customer information, and it will soon become a familiar tool in your everyday management tasks. Next, you'll want to create a new customer. Look towards the top right corner of your screen, and you'll see a button labeled New Customer. Click on this button, and you'll open a form. This form is where you input all the essential details for your new customer. It's important to be as thorough and accurate as possible here. Fill out all the necessary fields, including name, contact information, and any other relevant data that QuickBooks prompts you to complete. Once you're satisfied with the information you've entered, go ahead and click Save. Congratulations, you've just added a new customer to your QuickBooks account. Now, let's move on to creating a sub-customer, which is just as simple. The process begins much like adding a new customer. Click that New Customer button again and start filling out the form with the sub-customer's details. Here's the key difference. When aiming to categorize your customer as a sub-customer, you'll find an option labeled Is a Sub-Customer. Make sure to check this box. Once you do that, a drop-down menu will appear, giving you a list of existing customers from which you can select the parent customer to whom this sub-customer belongs. Carefully choose the appropriate parent from the list. This step is crucial for maintaining an organized and easily navigable customer list within QuickBooks. After selecting the parent customer and double-checking all the information, click Save once more. And there you have it. You've successfully created not only a new customer, but also a sub-customer, leveraging the simple yet powerful tools that QuickBooks Online gives you. These steps might seem basic at first glance, but they lay the foundation for effective customer management, which is vital for your business operations. By organizing your customers and sub-customers well, you're setting yourself up for smoother invoicing, better tracking of transactions, and ultimately, more informed business decisions. Keep practicing these steps, and soon, managing your customer base in QuickBooks Online will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.